How to delete an entire audio track inside Premiere Pro 2022. Come here to the left side between the microphone and the audio track. You have this empty area and right click on that one. And here we have delete track. If I click on delete track, the entire lower track will disappear. So delete track. Once again, empty area, right click there, delete track, and it's gone. There's another one here. If I right click the empty area, delete tracks. This one has an S at the end. If I use that one, I have to select delete audio tracks like so, and from here I can select only one. If I select audio 2, notice audio 1 got deselected, so I cannot delete multiple tracks from here. If I click OK, the second one will be deleted, like so. Now let's undo it, Ctrl Z, and if I select it like so, notice I'm selecting the lower third ones, but it's selecting the video and all the audio also. So to select just the audio, you have to hold down the Alt key. So Alt, and now it selects only that portion which you are selecting. Let's say those or those. And now if I press delete on the keyboard, now it deleted only those. Now since I have a gap, now I can use another feature. If I right click any of those empty areas, delete tracks, the one which has an S, here delete audio tracks, here it has all empty tracks. Now with that one, the two middle ones will be deleted. Click OK and those were deleted.